Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I'm sat in an old Mercedes-AMG SL55 and next to me is the new Mercedes-AMG SL55. And we're going to have a drag race because we can. Old versus new. So let me tell you about this 2004 SL55, a car that I absolutely adored when I first got into the game of reviewing cars. All those years ago. So it's got a 5.5 litre supercharged V8 that puts out 490 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque. Well, that's normally. This one has been tuned to 625 horsepower. And considering it's rear-wheel drive only via a 5-speed automatic gearbox, it's going to be interesting to launch it, especially as it's below freezing today. Now, I knew this car was £90,000. Today, £30,000. And it's in beautiful condition, I must say so. Love it, look, it's got a sunroof here. With a blind and stitching up here. It's all very nice. The condition is incredible. The owner's looked after this. It's quite a heavy car, just under 1.9 tonnes, which considering how old it is, that is a lot back in the day. This was a heavy thing. Speaking of heavy things, let's speak to the driver of the new SL. Hi Yanni, how are you?
Matt, I'm snug in my big jacket in this car.
I know, it's blooming freezing, isn't it? So let's play that game, right, where I ask you questions about the car and we see how close you can get to the actual answer. Right, what engine's in that car?
I know it's an SL55, but you're going to tell me it's not even a 5.5 litre, is it? You're going to tell me it's like a 6 litre or something?
No, it's a 4 litre twin turbo V8. How much horsepower do you think it's got?
580?
476. How much torque do you think it has?
600.
700 newton meters. How much do you think it weighs?
It's 1.8.
Not too bad, just over 1.9 tonnes. And finally, you should be able to do this bit because it's more your area of expertise. How much do you think it costs?
What would I pay for this? 125?
£147,000 starting price.
That's a lot of money.
Last thing then, Yanni, one of the key things about that car, what do you think it is compared to this one?
Is it all-wheel drive?
Yeah, you got it right. You've got all-wheel drive, you've got launch control, you've got 9-speed automatic gearbox. So you have an advantage, even though my car does have more power.
Yeah, that car you're in, that is the one back in the day. I like this, and the interior is fantastic with a huge big iPad. The back of it looks a bit weird though. It looks a bit droopy, shall we say? And to be fair, I've got enough room in here considering I'm wearing a huge jacket.
Yeah, and this is all right as well. Anyway, if you're thinking about changing your car and you need to sell your current car, you can now do it through Carwow. It's dead simple and easy to do, and you'll have thousands of dealers across the country who can bid on your car. All you have to do that is click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link in the description below. If you want to do it at a later date, just simply Google Help Me Carwow. Then you just upload some photos of your car, brief description, then the dealers will start bidding and you can pick the highest offer. They'll come to your house, take the car away. Dead easy. Anyway, let's get on with this race. Buy, sell, Carwow. Hey Yanni, before we race, shall we have a roof race?
Let's have a roof race.
So the rules are, the start will start it, at which point we can start lowering our roofs, and they have to go through the full cycle of lowering their roofs, and then you have to put all your windows back up again so that we're ready to race. Whichever car does it quickest wins. Will it be old or new, soft or hard?
Such a little child, I heard that. Let's just do the roof race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh wait! Well, guess what? I'm going to stop.
So I've never learned the roof on this car before.
And actually, there's like a flap that you pull up to access the thing to lower and raise the roof. And I actually thought it was the thing to just make the roof work. So I didn't realise I had to press an extra button. Let's start again.
What he doesn't know is I actually messed it up as well, but we won't tell him.
3, 2, 1.
Is this right? I don't know. This doesn't fit.
Come on, roof. He's messed it again, isn't he?
Right, I don't know how to do this roof. All right, sorry. I think I've got it now. I pulled this flap, but I have to pull it back. Okay, let's try one last go.
3, 2, 1.
We're on. Oh, there's lots of things moving around.
My windows already stay up. I'm good.
Go on, windows up. Oh, he beat me.
I think that's the win to me, mate.
You won. I don't know how to put the back windows up. I've got a rollover hoop, look. Ooh, look at that. Gonna win the next thing though, do you know what that is? A rev test. And this is gonna sound better because it's a supercharged V8, not a turbocharged one. Here we go. A bit disappointed it's got a soft limiter. Not gonna lie about that, but it's so bassy. Okay, rev yours up. The actual note of this is nicer. That's most of that note. It's just like meh, meh, then blah, meh, blah, meh. Why am I sounding like a sheep? I can actually do a good sheep impression. That's a goat. What's gone wrong in my brain? Now let's race. But before we do, if you haven't done so already and you like car reviewers making weird animal noises, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn the notifications on. That way you won't miss an upload, and in my next upload I'll make the sound of a neighing horse. Do you know what? Your car's four-wheel drive, so I probably should warm up my tyres.
You don't need to, but I do because it's just rear wheel drive.
Blimey. This has got some power, this has. Right, let's do this, let's race. I'm gonna brake boost it a bit, not too much.
3, 2, 1.
It did just traction control me.
Seatbelt stuck me in.
I got drubbed. Yeah, traction control just killed me totally. Just had none of it.
The seatbelt just crushed me into my seat. Did it do it with you?
No, because I know they're both SLs, but there's like 20 years between them.
That car, you bellend, when you drove this one.
They sometimes do that. I just thought you were going to have a crash.
3, 2, 1.
So long!
Similar story. Let me just try and do it with stability off and see what happens.
Are you having a little problem getting off the line, Matthew? Is it not sticking?
It's not hooking up really. It spins, traction comes in, kills everything, you've gone, game over. Other than that, it feels quite quick.
3, 2, 1.
It's a better one. Come on now! It was better, but not good enough. Considering this has got more power, I still didn't catch him, even though it hooked a lot better than before. Easy win really for you, eh, Yanni?
Very easy, mate. Rolling race should be fun, though.
Let's do the thing.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the new SL won, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.5 seconds. The old SL finished in 12.3 seconds.
Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in their comfort cruisy mode. Automatic for the gearbox. Let's see what happens. Here we go then. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This took ages to kick down. The response from the engine was good, but not from the gearbox. Can I catch it for the half mile? Come on! Just got me. Your car took off better than mine, Jan, but I was reeling you in.
Yeah, it was better.
Is that all you got to say on the matter? That's it. It was better.
Still didn't win. It was better.
Yeah. Now we can have another rolling race, once again from 50 miles an hour, but this time the cars are in manual mode and we're starting in third gear. This only has 5 gears, so third gear is probably quite tall. But anyway, 3, 2, 1, go. Great pickup. Come on now. I'm going to have to change them quite early because the delay on the manual shift is so bad. I'm pulling like 2.5 in third at 50. What are you pulling?
4,500.
Okay, we're going to have to do that again, but I'm going to be in second because then it's fair. All right then, let's try that again. But I'm going to be in second and you're in third. 3, 2, 1, go. It's better. Oh, this is flying.
Darn it.
And gapping him. Woo, this is quick.
Wow, that made a big difference. Jesus.
This thing pulls hard. I mean, it really does pull hard.
You like it when it pulls hard, yeah?
Someone had to do that joke, and it was you.
It's only you and me here, mate. Right, get with me, 100 mile an hour, brake test, let's go, let's go.
Actually, not 100 mile an hour, because it's an old car and it's a viewer's car, so I don't want to brake test it from 100. We'll do it from 70. Actually, big thanks to the guys who lent us this car. If you'd like us to drag race your car, then just send the details through to reviewmycar at carwow.co.uk. Let's do this brake test. Though, if you'd rather watch another video, just click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link in the description below. Great video I've chosen with another classic Mercedes, which you're going to like. If not, stay here for the brake test. Let's see what happens. Here we go, here comes the line. The brakes on cars have definitely got better, haven't they?
Yeah, and I'm not going to lie, that 70 mile an hour felt so slow.
And the cars stop so much quicker, don't they, as well?
Yeah, this is good. The seatbelt, damn, though, it does crush you.
It's just giving you a little hug. It likes you. Wants you to buy one.
No.
Now, if you're thinking about buying a car, you like a convertible that's sporty, I found an offer on a good one through CarWow, right? If you want to see what the car is and the deal, click on the pop-out banner up there, follow the link in the description below. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Click on those windows there, you can watch some more videos, and on that box there to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you do that.